Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows sockets initializations failed error on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type task manager and then click here to open it. Now select run new task and select browse button. On this window on the left side, select this PC and then open C drive. Go to Windows folder and from here we need to search for system32 folder, so double click on it to open it. Once you are here, search for cmd.exe file, simply select it and click on open. So this will be the path, and then check this box and click on OK. This will open a new command prompt window. Once you are here, execute these commands carefully. Type in sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash ieframe.dll and hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command, that is sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 dot ieframe.dll. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and move to the next step. So go to the search bar and type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select as. Now type the command carefully, type ipconfig space slash flush DNS, then type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter to execute the command. Finally type exit and close the command prompt window. That's it guys, restart your system and your problem will be solved.